guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. You made it back. Yay! It's time for part 2 of my Empties videos. If you guys have missed part 1, definitely check it out. It'll be in the cards above. Scrolling around up here somewhere for part 1. So this is part 2, and y'all, part 2 got at least about 7 to 10 candles in it, and all these items up in here. So I had to break it up into 2 because it would have been like a 20-something minute video, and I try not to do videos longer than 10 minutes because my attention span is not that long, and I'll get bored just editing it. So yeah, let's split it into 2. Why not? So I went ahead and just split this into 2. So if you missed part 1, definitely check it out in the cards above, or it should be the video before this one. Who knows? But anyway, we're gonna get back into it. So this is not in no particular order. I'm just pulling and going. I finished a 2-pack of the apple crumble. Y'all, apple crumble is life. I still have like 3 more 2-packs to go through because every fall apple crumble has to be in my life. If it's not in my life, something's not right. So I had to get that, and that rhymes, so I should be a rapper. I'm telling you, I need to be a rapper, okay? Instead of rapping these gifts, rapping on the beat, okay? I could be out there with the baby, you know what I mean? Can I do my Megan Thee Stallion, you know, like, can y'all put me on? I can do that, I can do that. Okay, back to reality. I mean, the only thing I'm rapping is Bath and Body Works, all right? I finished up Sweather Weather. This is one of the empties I said I wanted to use up, or it was in my project use it up video. This is Sweather Weather. I absolutely love Sweather Weather. Sweather Weather, you either love it or you hate it. There's really not, it's an I. It's you love it or you hate it. I love it. And sometimes I hate it. Like right now I have the shower gel in the shower, and I had to put a different one in the shower because I was getting tired of it. So it's like you love it or you hate it. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. And I loved it while I was using up the lotion. Now I'm just like, nah, whatever, Sweater Weather. So you love it or you hate it. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. But I definitely would repurchase it next year, but no more this year. I finished up some of these. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are the cleansing pineapple and coconut lime facial nourishing wipes. These are from Bolero. Good little wipe just to remove your makeup. I use those Shiseido wipes, especially for underneath the eye. But when I'm real lazy and I don't want to use Shiseido wipes with the makeup remover, I pull these bad boys out and I take my makeup off. So they're only $1. They're definitely worth it. I finished up another stuffy nose wipes. Again, I told you in the last video, I finished like 5 or 6 of these. And these are definitely a must-have for a mom on the go. So it's a must-have for moms on the go. I finished up another Cocoa Shea Cucumber Lotion. I told you guys, we absolutely love this lotion in my house. I am not lying. This lotion is life in our home. And if you have a kid that has eczema or, you know, very, very dry skin, especially this time of year, this Cocoa Shea Cucumber bomb. This is a seriously soft body lotion, and they're right, it's seriously soft and it works amazing. So I definitely recommend this. Did I say definitely? Definitely recommend it. Next item, this is from Macadamia Natural Oil. You remember when everybody was on the kick for this? This is the Deep Repair Mask. I got this on sale for $14.99 at TJ Maxx, and this worked really, really good. Will I repurchase it? Maybe, but I'm on like Auntie Jessie and Shea Moisture kick right now, and Patterns kick, so probably not right now, but in the future if I see it go for $9.99. The next item is my Champagne Apple and Honey body wash. Completely gone. Had no issue using it. Used it up really, really fast. Would I recommend it? Y'all already know. Yes. And if it goes to SAS, yes, I will be getting more. I love Champagne Apple and Honey, but I do like last year's more than I like this year. The next item is the Toasted Praline and Pear. Looks just like this. Again, I absolutely love Toasted Praline and Pear. I will stock up on it during SAS. If it goes 75% off, I would get like 3 shower, no, because I don't use the shower gels anymore. I'm fancy now, okay? But I would get 3 of the lotions and another one of the sprays, but the shower gels, no, because they are not as moisturizing as their new moisturizing body washes. So the moisturizing body washes just give me more moisture. Even though I love this scent, will I take the plunge? I don't know. I love this scent a lot. Yes, I'll take the plunge, even though I'm bougie now and I don't do their shower gels no more. I do their moisturizing body washes. But for that, I'll take the plunge. So all these are soaps, so let's get through them real quick. Spells Divine. Kids love Spells Divine. Enchanted Apple, Sparkling Cassis, and Moonlight Daisies. Grace loved the packaging. She claimed dibs on it, so she had to have it in her bathroom. This is the Sea Island Cotton. I took this to work. People loved it. It was used up really quick. It's the Clean Cotton, White Fresa, and Musk. One they love at work is the Hawaii Gentle Foaming Hand Soap, Coconut Colada. This is a work favorite. If this comes back during SAS for $2 holla, I definitely will get more because they used 1, 2, 3 of the Coconut Colada. So it definitely was a work favorite. So I got through 3, no, y'all, 4 of them. So yeah, this was definitely a work favorite. 4 of the Coconut Coladas, they used them up. So the last one in here is actually the Your Magical Unicorn Milkshake. Love Your Magical Unicorn Milkshake. It is such a great scent. I absolutely love it. I have like 3 more of them in my little soap area. It's sugar, vanilla, and juicy passion fruit. And it has the pretty unicorn on it. So I love Your Magical. So yeah, that's all the soaps. Now everything else is candles, y'all. I want to go through the candles real quick. I don't want to hold y'all too long because, whew, okay. First candle here is the Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. Looks just like this. I love Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. Oh, yes. It smells so good. Love it in the 1 wick. I have it in the big one too, but I prefer it in the 1 wick. This year, I've been preferring the 1 wicks over the larger candles, and that's not like me. I don't know what's going on, but the 1 wicks are really, really good. So I like them in the smaller areas. I finished this one from Marshall's. It's called Breathe. It's a DW home candle. It was only $3.99. Love this candle. It smells so good. Had this going in the bathroom. It's a nice fresh scent, so I love that one. I did finish the one I got from Yankee Candle. I showed y'all in that Yankee haul. Yeah, this was in the kitchen on the stove, and it got used up really quick. And this is the Moonbeams of Pumpkins. Don't know what's in it, but it smells really good. Definitely would repurchase it. I got through Cider Lane. Everybody went crazy about Cider Lane. Cider Lane is just okay to me. I don't see why everybody was going just bananas about Cider Lane. It's a nice scent. It's okay, but I have 1 more 1 wick and I'll burn it next year. I don't feel like burning that again. So it was just okay. I got through the Saltwater Taffy in the 3 wick. Looks just like that. Love the packaging of it. Burnt really good, smelled really good. You can smell like the taffy when you're smelling it, like it's hitting the back of your throat and you can kind of taste it. So I really do love this. And this is at SAS, not SAS, but at Candle Day, I might get another one because that one was really, really nice. From DW Candles, I finished the ice cream sandwich one. It is so good. And I think this was, what was the price on this? $7.99 for these big old candles. And these ones I just put on my oven and I burn them there. Oh my God, amazing. Love that one. So I finished that one. I finished a Caribbean Escape, and this was in my bathroom. I use this to death, y'all. I use this to death. So this is the Caribbean Escape. It was actually really, really nice. I told y'all the last Caribbean Escape, the big one, I didn't like too much. I don't know what was different in the formulation of it or something, but it wasn't as good as the mini one. The mini one was amazing, again, because it was a 1 wick. I don't know. I was loving the 1 wicks this year. Then this is a Saltwater Taffy too, but this is from DW Homes. And I did like this too, and it was only $7.99. And I mean, you can't beat it. $7.99 for a 3 wick big candle. You can't beat it. I did get through this one. This is Opal, and this is a Bath and Body Works one, and it's called White Opal. And I got this like 2 SASs ago, and I finally got through it. I burnt it and just said let it go. So I finished that up. Infamous PB&J. I just let this burn one night and just let it burn all the way down and get rid of it. We're not gonna go there. We already had a video on PB&J. We're not gonna go there. This one I tried to keep lighting and keep lighting and keep lighting, and it's just done. It's done. This is from Sonoma, and this is cinnamon spice cookie, and it smells so good. So I hate that it's just not gonna burn anymore, and I don't want to put it in a warmer or nothing. This is from last year. It's time to just let it burn, like literally let it go. Okay, so I'm gonna let that one go. I got through the salted pretzel milkshake. Love the packaging on this. This was really, really cute. Would I repurchase? Yes, I would get another one. Definitely would. I got this one here. This is in Beach Flores. This is from Huntington Homes. So I got this at Aldi's. If you guys can see it, there it is. And it was only $3.99. Definitely would repurchase their candles for $3.99 for a 3-week. You can't beat them. Plus I have 2 more remaining that I need to burn. So yes, the ones from Huntington Home are just as good as Bath and Body Works. They just have thinner wicks, so the wicks are not as thin, not as thick. But shoot, sometimes Bath and Body Works wicks ain't even that thick no more. So you know, I finished Welcome Home. It actually has a crack in it. If you guys can't see it, but it has a crack on the inside, so I really have to get rid of it because I don't want the kids to get towards it, you know, to it. But it says Welcome Home. It's a really good candle. It was alright. Would I repurchase it? Probably not, but it was nice to try it out this year, and I love the packaging of it, so I got that one. Trying to see, do I have any more candles? 2 more candles and we're done, guys. Yay. Okay, so the next one, Black Cherry Merlot. Like, I got this like less than a month ago and it's gone. Y'all, I burnt it all the way through. Smooth, clean burn, okay? Clean. This is how Bath and Body Works candles should burn. You see how clean and smooth that burn is? Look at that. They all should be like that. And I just absolutely love it. And the packaging is just to die for. I'm going to hate to let this go. I probably will hold on to it because I love this packaging. And I got through a Luminaire. And this one is in Bourbon Maple, and it was nice clean smooth burn on that one too. Well, no, but that's my fault right there. That's my fault. When you see them like that really black, that's my fault. But yeah, nice burn overall. Would I repurchase this one? No. So that's it, guys. That's all my empties for September and October. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Which ones were your favorite? It's time for me to recycle these things. It's time for them to get recycled, and I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment below, interact with me. I love you guys. Bye.